Second phase of revolutionaries began after 1922. This was because of the sudden withdrawal of non-cooperation movement by Gandhiji. After withdrawal of non-cooperation movement by Gandhi, revolutionaries didn't have faith in non-cooperative, non-violent movements. Lost faith in non-violent movements. They were not even attracted to Swarajists. Not attracted to Swarajist. They were neither attracted to constructive work. So therefore, old organizations revived. New revolutionaries came into light. Bhagwati Charan Vohra, Jogesh Chandra Chatterjee, and Sukhdev. Two different strands of revolutionaries emerged. One in North India and one in Bengal. North India under HRA, Bengal under Anushilan. Now they move from individual heroic action to mass-based revolution. New forces under which revolutionaries were inspired. Militant trade unionism. Trade unions emerged and therefore they find a new potential revolutionaries in form of industrial workers. Russian Revolution of 1917, emphasis on Marxism, socialism, proletariat class, journals extolling revolution. Example, Bijoli, सारथी आत्मा शक्ति, novels, example Bandi Jawan, Patthar Dabi, Bandi Jawan by Sachin Sanyal, Patthar Dabi by Sharat Chandra Chatterjee, Philosophy of Bomb by Bhagwati Charan Bohra, these were the forces under which revolutionaries came, and therefore after 1922 new phase of revolution started. Revolutionaries of Northern India. Ram Prasad Bismil, opposed Gandhiji's view of non-violence. In 1922 Gaya session. So INC was divided into two factions, Swarajis and Revolutionaries Party. Ram Prasad Bismil drafted the constitution of new party called as Yellow Paper Constitution. This paper constitution was adopted in 1924 in Kanpur meeting. Hindustan Republican Association or Army, HRA, founded in 1924 by Ram Prasad Bismil, Sachin Sanyal and Jogesh Chandra Chatterjee. Their objectives: to overthrow British via armed revolt, to establish Federal Republic of United States of India, and this government should be elected by adult franchise. HRA ideology: it was based on social revolutionary and communistic principles. It wanted to end all those institutions which made exploitation of man by man possible, and institution which made exploitation of man by man possible. They proposed a plan for nationalization of railways, large scale industries. Sachin Sanyal. He wrote Bandi Jeevan. He wrote Manifesto of HRA, called as The Revolutionary. He was the mentor of Chandrasekhar Azad and Bhagat Singh. His debate versus Gandhiji was published in Young India. Kakori robbery. 1925. HRA, to finance their activities, looted train containing government cash, ate down train. On a station Kakori nearby Lucknow. Four people were tried and hanged. Ram Prasad Bismil, Rajinder Lahiri, Ashfaqullah Khan, Roshan Singh. Chandrasekhar Azad managed to flee away. Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. Hindustan Socialist Republican Association or Army. This was founded in 1928. HRA was renamed. HRA was renamed to this, HSRA. Chandrasekhar Azad reorganized HRA with the new cadre of revolutionaries, with new cadre like Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Bhagwati Charan Vora, these were from the Punjab, Shiv Verma, Jaydev from UP. I am naming some few revolutionaries. They all were intellectuals. For example, we have seen Bhagwati Charan Vora. he has written Philosophy of Bomb, in which he has defined a new revolution, and he has said that there should not be any injustice with regard to social and economic exploitation. So thus, in Firoz Shah Kotla, HRA was renamed as HSRA, and they officially adopted socialism as their goal. And they also take a pledge that they will not loot any private treasury, they will only loot only government treasury. Saunders murder case. As HSRA officially moved from individual heroic action to mass revolt, but in 1928, during the protest of Simon Commission, Lala Lajpat Rai was lathi charged and he was killed. So therefore, the death of Sher-e-Punjab was seen as a national insult by these young revolutionaries. So therefore, they assassinated Saunders. Actually, it was James Scott who ordered the firing, but they assassinated Saunders. Assassination by Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, and Chandrasekhar Azad. And they planned to throw a bomb in Central Legislative Assembly just for a nominal damage. They don't want to kill anybody. So, in 1929, Bhagat Singh and Barkateshwar Dutt threw a bomb in Central Legislative Assembly to make the deaf hear. In this case, the media covered extensive court hearings, and even the technique of bomb making was made available to media, which was made available to India via newspaper and all the printing material. So basic motive to throw bomb was that the government unleashed a reign of terror in Lahore. So therefore the two people were made that throw the bombs in Central Legislative Assembly and take the onus on themselves. So therefore general people should not suffer. And the main motives behind this bomb are to make people aware that they are not guilty. Lahore people are not guilty. Lahore. To propagate their ideology via court trials. Ideology of HSRA. To propagate ideology. To make the deaf hear, that is government. Fourth, against Public Safety Bill and against Trade Dispute Bill. These were the motives. Second Lahore conspiracy case. With respect to murder of Saunders. These three, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, they made the trial forum for propaganda. These three became the household name. Even the leaders who believed in non-violence, they have won the hearts of that leaders. They shouted Inqilab Zindabad. They sang the song सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए का दिल में है. They also, in the jail, they protested against the differential treatment of Indian prisoners and the European prisoners. For this, Jatin Das went to strike and he died on the 64th day of strike. That sent national shockwaves. As a result, at the end, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, they were hanged on 23rd March 1931. Revolutionaries in Bengal. This emerged after 1922. They preferred to work underground. Plus also, they had the links with Congress, simultaneously working with Congress. C.R. Das was the link between the two. After the death of C.R. Das, the Congress faction divided into two, under Subhash Chandra Bose, under J.M. Sengupta. Yugantar Anushilan. So later words, their difference emerged between Yugantar and Anushilan. Again, disillusioned by individual heroic action, they went on to assassinate Charles Tigart, Commissioner of Calcutta, in 1924. In its response, Gopinath Saha was hanged. Chittagong Army Raid. Chittagong Armory Raid, 1930, by Surya Sen. Surya Sen, with the help of 65 revolutionaries, they raided the police armory in Chittagong. With 65 revolutionary, they tried to equip themselves with arms. After raiding the armory, they hosted the national flag. And expecting a repression from the government, they tried to hide in the Chittagong hills. This Chittagong armory raid was the part of an overall plan to raid the government armories and loot their arms. Many people were tried and hanged. Surya Sen managed to escape for 3 years, and after that he was caught and hanged. Government repression after Chittagong. Villages were burned. Nationalists were arrested. Even Jawaharlal Nehru was arrested for praising the revolution. 20 repressive acts were enacted. So, novel aspects of second phase of revolution in Bengal. Participation of women. Women act as messengers, they act as custodians of arms, even they provided shelters, and even they fought with guns in hands. For example, Preeti Lata Wadekar, she died while executing raid. Kalpana Dutt, she was tried with Surya Sen. Suniti Chaudhary, and Shanti Ghosh, they shot dead magistrate. Deena Das, at the time of convocation while she was taking degree, she shot governor. She shot governor while taking degree. Participation of Muslims. They provided active support to Surya Sen revolutionaries and trends toward group action from the individual heroic action. So these were the novel aspects. Now, decline of revolutionary activities. Factors. National leadership was dominated by Gandhian non-violence. Leadership dominated by Gandhi on the path of non-violence. Government repression. Government repression was heavy. Many languished in jail. They thought that why they had fought national freedom, and even some turned to Marxism or socialism. Chandrasekhar Azad was killed in 1931, and martyrdom of Surya Sen. So these were the factors for the decline of revolutionary activities.